Mabuhay! Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Serenity Hotel. How may I help you?
I want to check in.
Sure, ma'am. Do you have any reservation?
No, I don't have.
Alright, ma'am. May I know your name, please?
Marina Dapnit?
Alright, Miss Dakdip. May I carry your luggage?
Sure.
This way, please. Good morning, sir. I'm with Miss Marina, a walk-in guest.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Camco. How can I help you, ma'am?
I want to check in.
Sure, ma'am Marina. Can I get your identification card, please?
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am. What type of room do you want, ma'am?
Deluxe room?
Alright, ma'am. I'll just check if the deluxe room is available. The deluxe room is available, ma'am. How long do you want to stay with us?
2 days and 1 night.
Alright, ma'am. The rate of the deluxe room is 3,000 per night.
No, okay, no problem.
How do you want to settle your bill, ma'am?
Through credit card.
Can I get your credit card, please, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Can you please enter your password, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. I'll just print out your registration form, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. Here's your registration form, ma'am. Just fill up here, here, and don't forget your signature over the printed, ma'am. Here's
Okay.
your pen.
Okay, I'm done.
Alright, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. I'll just repeat your details. You're Miss Marina Dapnit from Dupaxor. Your room is the deluxe room, and you'll be staying with us 2 days and 1 night. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Here's your belongings, ma'am. And here's your key card. Alright, ma'am Marina. Our bellboy, Miss Syra, will assist you to your room together with your luggage.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am. I hope you enjoy your stay in our hotel. Goodbye, ma'am.
This way to your room, ma'am. After you. How's your travel, ma'am?
It's all good.
That's good to be here, ma'am. After you, ma'am. So here's your room, ma'am. May I borrow your key card, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. After you, ma'am. Where would you like me to put your luggage, ma'am?
Beside the table, please.
Alright, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. So here's your deluxe room. It contains a double bed and aircon and a 55 inches flat screen TV. It has 25 channels for your. Once again, ma'am, I am Zaira, your bellboy. I hope you. Is there anything else that I can help you, ma'am? Alright, ma'am. Once again, I am Zaira, and we hope you enjoy your stay here in our hotel. Is there anything else you need, ma'am?
None.
Alright, ma'am. Once again, I am Zaira, your bellboy, and we hope you enjoy your stay here in our hotel. Goodbye and have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day also.
Miss Gatnit, I am Mrs. Silvano, the front office associate. Good day. Ma'am, can you have a minute to talk about Paradise Hotel membership? Yeah, sure. Alright, ma'am. Based on our hotel database, you've been staying in our hotel at least once in a month and availing our product and services frequently. Is it correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Alright, ma'am. May I ask if you want to avail our club membership? Can you tell me more about your membership rules? And 15% discounts in our selected areas like dining restaurants and booking events in function hall. You can also avail our services in spa and massage with 20% discount. You can use also our swimming pools and recreational areas for free. Aside from that, ma'am, your family members can use also your club membership card. Are you interested?
Yes, I am interested.
Alright, ma'am, one moment please. Excuse me, ma'am, can you fill out this form with your personal details and your signature here? Thank you, ma'am. One moment, please. This is your card, ma'am. In front of your card is your personal details. And at the back of your card, you can sign here. So we will know if your card is eligible. How would you like to settle your payment, ma'am?
Through cash.
Alright, ma'am. One moment, please. Excuse me, ma'am. This is now your receipt. Alright, ma'am. This is now your club membership card together with your receipt and your brochure for more details. Thank you, ma'am, for availing our membership card. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to call us.
Okay.
Alright, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day.
Alright, copy. Break front desk. Room 304 has been settled. No missing, no damage, nothing forgotten, all clear.
May I carry your luggage, ma'am?
Sure.
This way to your vehicle, ma'am. So, how was your stay here in our hotel, ma'am?
It's great.
That's good to be here, ma'am. So, we are here in your vehicle, ma'am. And here's your luggage.
Thank you.
Once again, thank you for staying with us, and hope we see you again. Goodbye and have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day also.
Good morning, Council Hotel Receptionist, John Mark Libono speaking. How may I help you, ma'am?
I want to reserve a room, please.
Alright, ma'am, is the reservation for you or for someone else?
It's for me.
Alright, ma'am, I just get your information. May I know your name, ma'am?
I am Zaira Anpawid.
May I know your address, ma'am?
I'm from Buag, Bangbang, Nueva Vizcaya.
Alright, ma'am, how about your birthday?
October 10, 2003.
How about your email address, ma'am?
ZairaAnpawid@gmail.com.
How about your contact number, ma'am?
+639 1009 42829.
How about your arrival date, ma'am?
May 17,
Your departure date, ma'am?
May 19.
What type of room do you want, ma'am?
Deluxe room, please.
Will you be staying alone, ma'am?
Yes.
Do you have any special request, ma'am?
None.
I'll just repeat your details that you have given, ma'am. You're Miss Zaira Anpawid from Buag, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. Your birthday is on October 10, 2003. And your email is zairaanpawid@gmail.com. And your contact number is +639 100 942829. And you will be arriving on the 17th of May and departing on the 19th of May. The room that you want is the deluxe room. And you will be staying alone. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's all correct.
May I know, ma'am, what is the purpose of your stay?
I'm on vacation.
Alright, ma'am. How did you know about our hotel, ma'am?
Friend's recommendation.
Alright, ma'am. How do you want to settle your payment?
Through credit card.
Can I know your 16-digit number, ma'am?
0001, 0002, 0003, and 0004.
Right, ma'am. How about your 4-digit number?
123.
Alright, ma'am. Your payment has been settled. You will be receiving your email confirmation shortly.
Okay.
Once again, ma'am, thank you for choosing Calm Cove Hotel. See you on the 17th of May, ma'am.